Peace and blessings, y'all. It's your boy DJ Fanatic at soundsforproducers.com. Welcome to another video where I'm doing a beat breakdown of one of my popular beats. And this beat goes hard, man. Hopefully you feel it. I like it. And let me know what type of artist you hear in this beat. And of course, there's a bunch of loop packs in the description. Grab those, get them, because they got a lot of stuff in there to help take you to that next level. If you haven't subscribed, click that sub button, click the bell as well so you're alerted to new videos that come on the channel, and give it a thumbs up if you learn anything or you want to show your support. So definitely appreciate the love. So this video right here, this beat right here, it's more on a trap side. It has this dark element, a lot of energy. So let me break down the elements that I've chosen. This started out with a loop and it has some cool stuff in it, so check it out. More like a percussion loop. And it has like this clock in the background. I thought it was kind of cool. EQ wise, I didn't do much. I did do much. I turned up some of the sub area, kept the low mid fine, did a little dip here in the high mids, and cut off some of the highs just to give it the type of character I wanted. The next element I added was like this creepy lead, so here it is. Where did I get that sound? That was expand 2. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. So the next element, here it is. And that third element is analog strings from output. And then for the fourth element, I'm not sure what it was, but let's see how it sounds. So it's a basic piano. What I did to make it a little more creepy, you can always do this with pianos, is add some more reverb to it, raise the decay, raise the wet level, and stereo separation. I don't make the size too large because sometimes the size would be so increased that you don't have like this reverberation that you want. So you can kind of just mess around with parameters and come up with what you're looking for. But with piano, you can always make the notes long, so that way the reverb is picking up the sustain of each note to kind of give it a little more creepiness. And I also could have Control A, select all, and then do Alt R, I believe. Yeah, make it randomize. You can randomize the velocities, so yeah, you can do that. Did I just change that? Nope, I didn't. So the next element that I chose for the beats was these chords here. So that that is, I think, outputs exhale. I can't talk today. I can check to make sure, but I'm pretty sure it is. So that way y'all would know exactly what I use, and output makes some dope stuff, man. And it adds a nice little creepy element into it. So here it is. Here's another element. I think it's the kick drum. Very different pattern. Of course, in the loop packs that we have in the description, there's tons of bonus one shots, and there's kicks, snares, all types of stuff in there just to add to your beats, other than just MIDI and loops. There's also included drums as well, and entire drum loops as well. So check it out. And of course those are in the description, so you click on the link and everything's listed. And also there's another page where you can preview what's inside there as well. And of course, there's demo videos as well on this channel if you want to ever just look at the videos and see exactly what's in the packs before you buy them. So definitely want you to hear what you get, because it's fire, man. So the next sound was let's figure out what it is. So it's like a little vocal scream. Here it is. Oh, it's a snap. The scream was actually in the loop, I think. Let's see what. Yeah, it's like this guy's voice screaming in the background in the loop. This was an actual snap that ends each 4 bars. See, just to give it a little more creativity. Now with the snare, there's some a little different. It's the use Fruity Stereo Enhancer to kind of offset the sound a little bit. Offset. To kind of just take the sound and move it a little off the grid. So you're having like left, right, real fast, left, right, or right, left, whatever way you want to do it. It enhances the stereo separation of that sound based on the parameter that you've chosen. So the next thing is this loop that I chose of a dope ass hi-hat pattern. And here's another hi I can't talk. Another hi-hat pattern. They complement each other. There you go, and I believe this is a cymbal. And the 808. God, that sounds great. So yeah, as you're hearing the beat, let me know what artist do you hear in this beat. Put it in the comments, please. Help my brother out, because this beat is just sounding dope. And that, you know, it's a trap beat. It's on the trap side, but it just has its own feel to it. So yeah, let me continue. I'm gonna play the intro, part of the chorus and part of the verse, so you get a vibe of the beat. And if you're feeling it, hit that sub button. So check it out. And thank you to our subscribers, man. Thank y'all for hanging out with me and watching the videos. Appreciate y'all. This is where it gets busy again, right here. So there you have it. If you notice, that snare sounds dope with Fruity Stereo Enhancer. And I actually didn't do any EQ on that. I'm shocked, because I like to EQ every sound just to kind of hone in on every frequency, so that way your sounds that you choose aren't clashing all the time and fighting for space in the frequency range. I don't want to get too deep on technicality of it. This the beat breakdown videos are basically for your inspiration, and also just give you some quick pointers, man, to make something dope, and also to show you the power of using I told you I can't talk today, of using loop packs. There's tons of stuff in there, man, that just even just one little pattern or one little MIDI phrase, you throw it on there, put your favorite sounds on there, and you come up with something crazy, man. So don't get overwhelmed where music just makes you upset, or you're angry, or you have fear where I don't know if I can make something dope. It's okay to use a quick loop, throw it together. You know, these inspire you really fast. So anyway, hopefully you like the beat. Let me know what artists you hear on it, and also if you know what the name this be, I don't know. Anyway, show your love in the comments, definitely appreciate it. And again, it's DJ Fanatic, founder of soundsforproducers.com, and maybe I can talk tomorrow. So I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.